Hey, it's Ryan with SMB. We're gonna be knocking out an install today of our LB7 complete boot replacement kit here. So we've got the truck pulled in behind us. We're gonna get going on this. I'm gonna pop the intake out real quick just to give us more access on the cold side. So we'll do a quick overview of that, and then we'll show you how to get these boots swapped out. We're gonna start on the cold side, upper boot here. Work that around. We're just gonna work the clamps off, help unstick it. Just pulled the pipe out, which will give us more room to get this upper boot off, which was fighting me anyways. There it goes. Set this on top of the engine bay, and you pull the lower boot out. So there it comes. And they're labeled. So the long leg goes towards the duct. It's gonna be our lower boot right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-install this on the intercooler. I'm gonna take the clamps off. We've got the lower and upper clamps off the long boot on the hot side here. So it's the same either way. We'll slide it in place with the logo facing downwards. And it's pushed on there. And we're gonna get it back on the turbo like so. Snake our clamps over here. And get it started up top, so it's easy. Do the second clamp on the upper side. I'm just gonna index this how it was originally. He's got some rubber hose on this AC line here to keep it from rubbing. It was pointing straight back, so I'm just gonna copy that. And it kind of just rested on it before. Come on. All right. We'll pull the factory boot out of here and get the SMB boot installed. So I've got a colleague pushing up top against me. Now the boot started. Turn it, slide it all the way up. And then we're gonna spin it around. Till we're on top of the intercooler. And then push it on the intercooler like so. We'll get our clamp started and tighten them down. So I'm snaking the boots up and over the lower here. We'll get the spring started and then tighten all these down. And that wraps up the install.